Hey everyone, it's Vidhi and welcome back to another video of my birthday week or my birthday series. So for today's video, I'll be doing a huge Nykaa birthday haul. Since Nykaa पर अभी काफी अच्छी festive sale चल रही थी and it was my birthday too, so I got a lot of stuff. Actually, a lot of new stuff that I always wanted to try. So if you guys want to know that what all things I got, then keep on watching. And yeah, before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So for the first product I got is this body scrub from the Body Shop. This is from their British Rose range. It's so good. It smells like heaven. It smells amazing. It makes your skin really soft and smooth. Plus ये इतना harsh भी नहीं है skin पर. And it's really good if you want to remove tanning from your skin. Next up I have is a body wash, which is again from the Body Shop. It's Fuji Green Tea Shower Gel from their green tea range. The main ingredient for this body wash is green tea and I'm really excited to try this out. Next up I have is a face mask, which is by Nykaa. It's their Nykaa Go for Glow Super Hydrate Face Mask. It's basically a glow peel off mask. It's SLS free, paraben free, which is really good. I have tried this mask but I don't feel like that it is worth it. It's like okay and itna bhi acha nahi hai ye. It's just okay. Next up I have is two lip shades, which is again by Nykaa. So the first one is this Nykaa Matte to Last in the shade Chai. It's chocolate coffee sort of a shade and it's like a very bold lip shade. If you're anywhere near to my skin tone, you will look bomb in this lip shade. The shade is amazing, and talking about the formula, it's very long lasting and very light on your lips and very comfortable. Next one I have is this Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon in the shade Jade Rose. It's very pretty mauvish pink nude sort of shade and I really love it. Again, if you are anywhere near to my skin color, it will really suit you. It's very matte and very pigmented and very long lasting. Again, very comfortable on your lips, very lightweight and looks amazing. Next I have is this Swiss Beauty का metallic eyeshadow in the shade Diamond Dust. First of all, it's very inexpensive. काफी inexpensive eyeshadow है ये. इसे आप किसी भी eyeshadow के ऊपर एक top coat कर लो and it will change the whole look. Next thing I have is a nail enamel by Nykaa in the shade Rose Gold. Again, this is very shimmery nail enamel and I love this shade. इसे भी आप सेम किसी भी नेल पेंट के ऊपर आप एक टॉप कोट कर दो and it will change the whole look. Festive season के लिए it's really nice. Next up I have is a mascara. It's my favorite mascara of all time. It's Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. First of all, I love Maybelline products. They are amazing. They are not too much expensive and they are really good. I really love iska wand. It's like very curvy and it's like very perfect for your eyelashes and it gives a very nice look to your eyelashes. Plus it's waterproof also. Next thing I got is a foundation. It's NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Caramel. This foundation is amazing. एक तो इसमें बहुत सारे shades available है and again if you're anywhere near to my skin tone, then Caramel is the perfect shade. It's really lightweight and very easy to build. Plus it has a very dewy finish. If you have dry skin just like me, use a moisturizer. You will get the flawless base. Trust me guys, you will get the most flawless base. Next thing I have is this Laneige ka water sleeping mask. Okay, I have heard a lot about this product and I really wanted to try this out, so I got it in the small packaging and I have used it and this product is amazing product. I know it's quite expensive but trust me guys, use it and then you will be like एक और डब्बा I need to get it. It's so hydrating and so lightweight on your skin and plus it's perfect as a makeup base. इस पे makeup लगाओ, you will get the most flawless base. I think I'm always going to buy this product because this product is amazing and it's worth the hype. Next thing I have is this Versali Skin Tune Blur. It's a primer serum. Okay, I tried this product and I don't know इसमें ऐसा क्या है. It just makes your skin very blur, very smooth and it's perfect as a base. मतलब ये आपका texture ही बिल्कुल change कर देगा. If you want to try this out, then go for the smaller version just like me and trust me guys, you are going to like this and you're not going to regret it because this product is amazing. Last thing I have is a body mist. This is a 1000 Wishes Diamond Shimmer Mist by Bath and Body Works. इसमें काफ़ी सुंदर diamond dust particles हैं and the smell is amazing. It's like very nice. इसमें एक और version भी available है without shimmer mist, but I believe कि ये वाला version is much more better because if you want to ready, just spray it on your neck and back and it will be very shiny and very glowy. The smell is so soothing and so amazing. I just love this product. That's it for the video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit like, share, subscribe, and subscribe करने के साथ साथ make sure you hit that little bell icon so that every time I upload a new video you will get a notification, and comment down below that what was your favorite item from this haul, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.